Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from my Sagadi channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon, natatagyan natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is weekly gabay for the month of December 1 hanggang December 7 for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanina naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Gemini ang ating mahagilap. So guys, this reading is a journey namang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. So guys, kumapit-kapit kadalato namin sayo ng ating mga gabay. And of course guys, maraming salamat pa sa mawalang sampog suporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. So ay pagpalain po kayo na just at may kapal siksik diglig na gumapaw man ng balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, eto na. Angel Spirit Guide, please give me information for the sign of Gemini. There's a Six of Cups. So, there is a person or something of familiarity, no? And there's a memories or reminiscence, no? Kung talagang nagbaback sa'yo, kumbaga, there's a back memories, no? Na talagang naiisip mo. Or something, there's an ex, no? So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka pa nakaka-move on. Or else, hindi pa nakaka-move on yung ex mo, no? You need to moving on. And kasi sinasabi dito na there's a withdrawal or something abandonment or something disappointment or something walking away or leaving behind. So, ibig sabihin dito, may mga bagay na kailangan mo na talagang pakawalan. Yung nakaraan, yung mga alaala, diba? And because there's a King of Pentacles, there's a practicality. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a good for a business and there's a wealth, no? And there's a protective na pagdating sa finances. And because there's a Three of Swords in reverse. So, ibig sabihin there's a negative self-talk or something, there's a releasing pain or something of forgiveness and kumbaga there's an optimism, no? Kumbaga nagiging positive, ano ka na eh. Kumbaga, naunawaan mo na yung nangyayari. And of course, nagkakaroon ka ng mga positive thoughts, no? At nagkakaroon ka na ng transition sa lahat ng eksena na nangyaring negatibo sa buhay mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. Because there's a page of cups. Listen to your intuitions and listen to your gut feelings, no? There's an information, messages, or email ka matatanggap. So, sa madaling salita, no, may chismis. Ganun, charis. Or sinasabi, makinig ka sa intuition mo, no? Kung ano yung mga sinasabi ng mga gabay mo or something ng inner voice mo, no? Pakinggan mo. And I guess there's a death card for ending and a new beginning. May mga bagay na matatapos na at magsisimula, no? And of course, magdadala sa'yo ng transformation. So, let's see what is the Six of Cups. And kasi sabi sa'yo ng with the Six of Cups, there's Five of Cups. So there's okay, there is a person na kumbaga nagkaroon talaga ng losses or something na move on. No? Kumbaga hindi siya maka-move on talaga dito, no? Parang nanghihinayan, there's a regret. And kasi sinasabi dito, there's an information by the star card. There's a wish fulfillment. So, ibig sabihin dito, magkakaroon na ng healing at magkakaroon na ng, kumbaga, purpose, no? Na kailangan mo ng pakawalan, yung nakaraan, no? Kumbaga, magkakaroon ka ng realization. So, let's see what is the King of Pentacles. And kasi sinasabi ng Six of Pentacles, magtutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances. Let's see what is the Three of Swords. And of course, there's the Hangman, no? Kumbaga, may mga bagay na kailangan mong baguhin, i-let go like a perspective, na kumbaga, diyan kasi nagbibigay ka diyan yung nagdadala ng negative thoughts, no? Kaya hindi ka makabubod sa isang situation kasi, kumbaga, yung pananaw mo or something, yung na mindset mo is a negativity. No, it's a fear of toxic. So, ibig sabihin dito, nasa sa'yo yung way, no, kung paano ka maka-move on. You need to do something or you need to release a negativity or toxicity attitudes na kailangan mo talagang alisin sa buhay mo, no? And of course, sa pananaw mo sa buhay. And of course, there's a Four of Pentacles, so baga, there's a protector power, protector energy. Kailangan mo mag-budget or something kailangan mo magtipid, or something kailangan proteksyonan mo yung grounds mo, even your finances, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng seguridad dyan sa mga pinaghirapan mo. So, let's see what is the death card. And of course, sinisa dito with the 5 of Swords. Kumaga, there's conflict or something, complaisance or something defeat or something winning of all costs. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's a fair fight. So, ibig sabihin na kailangan mo ng mag-ingat, no, sa mga thoughts and of course, ng inyong so mga verbal expression or something, yung mga bagay na sinasabi mo sa ibang tao, gano'n, kailangan maging aware ka kasi kumbaga baka magamit to sa'yo bilang self-sabotage, no? Baka magamit sa'yo laban sa mga eksena mo, sa negosyo man yan or sa trabaho, or something na kailangan mong mag-ingat, no? Baka maagawan ka ng spotlight. So, there's a death card for the ending and the new beginning. Natapusin mo na yung mga ganong attitudes, yung ganong perspective or ganong mindset or something, ganong behavior, no? Yung, kumbaga, yung nagbibigay ka ng ideas or something sa ibang tao na, kumbaga, sa totoo, kumbaga nandito na tayo sa generation na kumbaga kapag may mga sinabi ka, no, it's either gagamitin yan para makuha nila yung parangal or something information na yon, kumbaga magagamit nila yun para sila yung makakuha ng reward or something, no, promotions, kumbaga may ganon, kumbaga magagamit yung information na yan para masapawan ka, parang ganon. So let's see what is the 6 of Cups and the 5 of Cups. And of course, there's a magician. So, there's a manifestation. Or some of you guys, kumbaga, there's an action for power or something power, no? Kumbaga, may kakayanan ka dito para talagang makalimutan na or something maalis na, no, sa isip at puso mo tong nangyari from the past or something. There's a person na kumbaga hindi maka-move on at ginawan ka ng magic, no, or something kaya hindi ka makatulog or something na balisa ka or either kumbaga siya yung lagi nasa utak mo even kapag natutulog ka, gano'n. Kapag ganyan na lagi mo siya napapanaginipan, sinasabi sa'yo dito na there's a magic, no, involved. So let's see what is the 8 of Cups and of course the Star card. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito na Angel Spirit Guides. Wait, guys, nalaglag yung cards. So, there is Page of Swords. So, there is an information, no? So, marami kang impormasyon na malalaman dito, no? And there's a new ideas na magdadala sa'yo ng wishes. And of course, there's a miracle or coming true na information or dreams, no? Okay, so ibig sabihin dito na kailangan mo getting to know each other or getting more information, no? Na kailangan mo na makaalis sa situation, no? And kasi sinasabi dito, there's life purpose and good fortune na nakatadhana para sa iyo, diba? So let's see what is the King of Pentacles and of course the 6 of Pentacles. And of course, there's a 9 of Pentacles. So, ibig sabihin, tutuloy-tuloy na about sa finances, no? Lalakas ng negosyo at hanap buhay mo. So, ibig sabihin dito na there's a 6 of Pentacles for giving and receiving something by the universe or something na magkakaroon ka ng seguridad, no? Pagdating sa finances, and of course, din sinasabi ng 9 of Pentacles na magkakaroon na ng financial windfall. Oh my goodness. So, let's see what is the 3 of Swords and the Hangman. And of course, guys, there's Page of Wands. So there's a good news, no? And new ideas and inspirations or something discoveries ka malalaman, no? Kumbaga naka-recover ka na from the losses, from the pain. And of course, binago mo na yung perspective mo, even your mindset. So this is the good idea na kumbaga nagkaroon ka ng realization, even kumbaga ng practical, no? Na intuitions and of course excitement sa mga bagay-bagay. So parang pinalaya mo yung sarili mo sa mga negatibo, parang sa madaling salita. And because there's a Page of Cups and because the 4 of Pentacles, and because there's a 3 of Pentacles, so there's a collaboration and commitment, no? Kumbaga, there's a conversation na kailangan mo i-clear out pagdating sa intuition, may inner voice mo. Kumbaga, makinig ka sa mga hinahatid nilang mensahe sa'yo. Baka magdala sa'yo ng protection yan, no? So, let's see what is the Death card in the 5 of Swords. What is the Death card in the 5 of Swords? There's the Moon card. So, there's a truth reveal. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa'yo, no? Maaaring may mga bagay na magkaklaro sa'yo para nang sa ganun maunawaan mo at malaman mo yung yung bagay na hindi mo pa nakikita or hindi mo pa nalalaman. Kasi there's a fear, Rider, there's a fear na, kumbaga, na uuna yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito, kailangan mo i-boost yung confidence mo nang sa gano'n na magawa mo yung mga, may sa katuparan mo yung mga plano mo sa buhay. Even your life purpose, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. So, there's a 5 of Pentacles in reverse. So, ibig sabihin, there's a recovery from the losses or spiritual poverty or something improvement pagdating sa finances. Or there's a karmic lessons, no? Kumbaga, natutunan mo with the positive changes, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. Because there's a 4 of Cups, there's a re-evaluation, no? Kumbaga, kailangan mo pag-isipan or kasi clear out yung mga bagay-bagay bago ka mag-take ng actions. So, there's an analyzation, no? Kumbaga, bago ka kumuha ng isang oportunidad, kailangan pag-isipan mo muna siya. Kung ano yung magiging possibilities or magiging outcome, no? Tingnan mo yung circumstances, no? Sa mga bagay-bagay. So, let's see what is additional message for love, oracle card. For love oracle card, angel spirit guides. And of course, guys, there's a girl talk. So, some of you talaga having fun. Or something pinag-uusapan ka, no? At ikaw ang ulam or topic nila. Ganon. So, let's see. Eto, parang sinasabi, there's a talking. So, there's a talking talaga. So, pinag-uusapan ka talaga dito na there's a text or email messenger. So, there's a lot of messages na pinag-uusapan ka talaga na maraming, 'di ba? Maraming marital sa chikadora dyan sa paligid mo. Or some of you guys na kailangan, there's a take a chance. So, kailangan mong ilaban or something isugal yung mga bagay-bagay na kung gusto mo talaga makuha, no? And of course, there's a hammer. Yung sinasabi kong sabotage, no? Maging aware ka lang sa mga bagay-bagay, no? Sa paligid mo, no? Kasi may mga information ka na maaaring magamit nila, ganon, baka gamitin to against sa'yo. So, maging aware lang, diba? So, let's see what is a yin and yang oracle card. Okay. Okay, there's a close of guarded. So, see, kumbaga parang inano na dito na pinroteksyonan mo na yung sarili mo, no? Parang sinasabi dito na parang nalaman mo na, naunawaan mo na kumbaga na kailangan mong magkaroon ng boundaries sa sarili mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. See, I told you, there's a toxicity. Ano yung kailangan mo alisin? Yung pattern na yan. No? Although there's a renewal, magkakaroon ka ng panibago eksena, and there's a spark, no? Na parang, ikaw yung pinagtitinginan, no? Na dahil there's a good personalities or either there's a good there's a good outlook, no? Baka maaaring guwapo ka or maganda ka, no, na kaya kinaiinggitan, diba? So, let's see what is the magical fairy messages. What is the magical fairy messages? And there is an express your individuality. So, ibig sabihin dito, allow your true selves to shine because you're awesome. See? Diba? Ipakita mo yung totoong gandang hindi mo inakala. Even your kagwapuhan na hindi mo inakala. Diba? Marami kasing uri ng kagandahan no? Sa panlabas na anyo at mabusilak na puso, diba? Doon sa pagkatao mo talaga. So, there is an information na kumaga maraming ipapakita na magandang attitudes, ganon. So, let's see what is the chakra. And there's a bittersweet. So, maraming bitter na usap. Oh my God. So, sinasabi dito, there's a bittersweet, no? Kumaga, ganun talaga pag may bittersweet ka. Char. So, ibig sabihin dito, guys, na kumaga, pagkatapos ng paet, no? Kumaga, may tamis ng tagumpay. And there's an face. So, hinaharang nito, no? Meron talagang black magic dito na hinaharang. It's either yung swerte mo or yung mga pumapasok na sa'yo na, kumaga, magandang eksena, no? Parang nagkakaroon ng sabotahe. And there's a forgiveness. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo ipagpatawad. Even yung mga ginagawa nila, hayaan mo sila, 'di ba? Kasi kung papatulan mo yan, ikaw lang nagbibigay ng blockages, hayaan mo isurrender mo kay God yan. Diba? And there's a passion. Ipakita mo kung sino ka talaga, no? So, let's see what is the energy. Gigilin mo sila. Gigilin mo lang sila. Ganun yung guys. Pero because there's the woman, the thinking woman. So, some of you, if you are a woman, or you're being paranoid, or some of you guys, nag-overthink ka, or talagang di naalis sa yung pagiging overthink. If you are a man naman, so ibig sabihin yung person mo overthinking. And of course, there is door to the personal healing and the happiness. So, ibig sabihin dito, may pintuan talaga na magbibigay sa'yo ng kagalingan, no? At kaligayahan. So, let's see what is the romance angels. Forgiving and learning. So, kailangan mo talagang ipagpatawad, no? At kailangan mo matutunan. Diba? And of course, sinasabi dito, guys, nakikita niyo yan. Yan na. Sinasabi dito, okay, babasahin natin guys. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. So, may mga bagay na kailangan mo ipagpatawad, even your relationship or something, a past relationship, or either a person, no, na kumbaga laki ng inggit sa'yo. Diba? Deadma mo lang yan. Hayaan mo si God na yung gumanti sa'yo or gumawa ng way para ibalik sa kanila yung mga ginawa nila, no? So, let's see what is additional Arcangel Raphael. So, ang sinasabi lang sa'yo dito, guys, na kailangan mo protectionin yung sarili mo, diba? And kasi sinasabi na call upon Arcangel Raphael for help. So, kailangan mo ng tulong ng Arcangel Raphael for healing. So, may pintuan naman na nakalaan para sa for healing. So, may opportunity na pagagalingin ka sa lahat ng aspeto. Diba? So, let's see what is Arcangel Michael messages for you. So, ano na naman kayang chika ni Arcangel Michael? Pero kasi sinasabi dito, go forward fearlessly. I told you so. Di ba, kailangan mo magpatuloy na walang, walang kinakatakutan at walang pinangangambahan. Magpatuloy ka sa ginagawa mo. Di ba? Ipakita mo sa kanila na, mainis ka. Di ba? And kasi sinasabi dito, your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. So, ibig sabihin dito yung mga gabay mo, no? Mapagkakatiwalaan mo daw yan. Di ba? And let's see what is additional messages. And of course, a new beginning is coming. And a new beginning and fresh start. So, ibig sabihin dito, may bagong simula. At, kumbaga, may bagong simula at bagong buhay. Parang ganon. At magsisimula na talaga. Let's see what is the Monsology. At sinasabi dito na Monsology is you are good enough. No? Pagdating naman, sapat ka na. Diba? So, sa'yo pa lang sapat na, diba? So, natatakot na sila sa'yo. Char! Ibig sabihin dito, kaya nila nagagawa yung ganyang bagay kasi ayaw nila masapawan, ayaw maungasan. And there's a bring love in the situation. Mahalin mo lang yung sitwasyon mo. The more na minamahal mo yung sitwasyon, diba? The more na, kumbaga, nagtutuloy-tuloy yung magandang opportunity sa'yo. Diba? So, let's see what is additional messages. And there's a grip, no? May mga bagay na, or may mga bagay na pinagsisisihan ka na hindi mo na mababalik. Or there's an opportunity to learn, no? Kumbaga, ma-appreciate mo yung mga bagay na yan. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's an empathy. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's seeing both side of situation. Tingnan mo yung magiging magandang, ito yung sinasabi ko kanina, di ba? Tingnan mo yung lighter side of situation, kung ano yung magiging kalalabasan or magiging magandang possibilities, no? So, let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages. Let's see what is additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, the sweetest start, sister, birthing creation, and tapestry of life expression. So, ibig sabihin dito, pinapakita dito yung, the more na, kumbaga, nag-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo, the more kang, kumbaga, nasa puso mo yung ginagawa mo, di ba? May papakita mo yung ganda, yung creation talaga, no? Kahit sa trabaho mo, di ba? The more na nag-enjoy ka, kumbaga, yung mga magagandang bagay na gagawa mo, at kumbaga, may mga bagay ka na pagtatagumpayan, at may mga bagay ka na sisimulan na panibago, na kumbaga, hindi mo in-expect na kaya mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, there's a counseling. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo makinig sa inner voice mo. No? Kasi nakakatulong talaga sila para mapagaling yung sugat ng nakaraan or something, yung pain. Diba? Kung malalim yan, so ibig sabihin dito, there's a counseling. Kailangan mo rin ng advices, no? With your friends. Either with your family. So, let's see what is additional messages. for angel spirit guides. And there's a psychic ability. So, ibig sabihin dito, there's an intuitions, no? There's a behavior patterns dito about sa spiritual na kumbaga magsisimula na. This is a spiritual activation. Either, no? Additional messages. And there's a transformation. Transmutation, purification, paglilinis, no? May mga bagay na lilinisin sa'yo. Para walang pinagkaiba sa Phoenix yan. Rising from the ashes, no? Pagkatapos ng durugin ka, no? Kumbaga mabubuhay ko ulit ng panibagong eksena na hindi na nila iyan. Kumbaga indestructible, hindi ka na nila masisira. Diba? Ganun yon. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo linisin yung mga bagay-bagay na pangit or may mga bagay-bagay na hindi maganda na pag-uugali or either behavior mo, no? Na kumbaga, kailangan pakawalan mo yung mga toxic and negativity. Panatiliin magkaroon ka ng mga positive energy like your for being optimism, no? So, let's see what is the Jesus loving quotes. So, sinasabi Jesus dito, and see it's given to know the mystery of Kingdom of God. So, ibig sabihin sa'yo dito na ipapakita mo na sa'yo ni God yung totoong klase ng buhay. Bago niya ipapakita sa'yo yung mga bagay na hindi mo ine-expect na makita at diba, mata mo, yung tagumpay na yan. Kumbaga yung there's a blessing in this guys na mangyayari sa buhay mo na kumbaga ganito pala klase yung ipagkakaloob ni God, yung plano niya, 'di ba? So guys, there's an angel's number ha. So angel's answer, sorry guys. There's an angel's answer. So mag-iisip kayo ng question dito. So bibilang ako ng 3, kailangan nakapag-isip na kayo. Okay? Okay. One, 2, 3. So, ito na nga, no? Angel's answer, give me information. So, yung mga tanong nyo, guys, ito yung magiging kasagutan, ha? And of course, helpful people. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo ng tulong ng ibang tao or either kailangan ng tulong mo ng ibang tao, no? So, let's see, additional messages. And there's a meditation bring answer. So, kailangan mo mag-meditate para malaman mong kasagutan sa mga katanungan mo. At dun mo makukuha yung kasagutan na yon, no? It's all about spiritual. Parang I sense talaga. Kasi there's a psychic ability. So, ibig sabihin dito, ilapit mo yung sarili mo sa ating Panginoon, no? Let's see what is additional. Okay, get more information. Kailangan mo makakuha pa ng mga impormasyon, no? Kailangan mo getting more information. Kailangan mo pa makakuha ng informasyon na makakatulong sa'yo kung ano man yung question mo na yan. So, let's see what is the angel's number. And there's a 2. I am intuitive. So, sinasabi dito, you have a keen awareness of what is happening around you. A strong intuition is your gift and will help you understand the unspoken feeling and thoughts of others. Think insight to allow you to be a great guide and supporter. Ibig sabihin dito na kumbaga aware ka sa mga nangyayari, no? Kahit na hindi nila sabihin. Alam mo sa sarili mo na there's something wrong, no? Kumbaga may ginagawa sila against sa'yo. Even, alam mo naman, diba? Malakas ang radar mo dito. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo lang proteksyonan yung sarili mo laban sa mga inggitera at ambisyosa. So, guys, this is weekly gabay for the month of December 1 hanggang December 7 for the sign of Gemini. So, Gemini, maraming salamat for your wonderful reading. This reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ating nasagap. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.